good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? I live in east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Hello. Okay, right now it's okay. Can you hear me clearly, completely? Hello. Okay, thank you. Are you from Bengaluru, right? Okay, are you a student or are you working? Okay, which department are you working? Government, private, IT sector, e-commerce. Okay, is it a government? Okay, then you tell little bit about your profession. I don't have much idea about it. Mhm. Okay, right now I got it. Right now I got it. Okay. How long have you been working? Uh-huh. How long have you been working? Okay. Okay, so nice. And what's your qualification? What's your qualification? What's your qualification? Wow. Then how did you get that job? Okay, I got your point. You have completed your 12th standard, right? You are a good speaker. How did you learn this language? Okay, how did you learn this language? English. Wow. Then do you interact with anyone at office in English? Do you talk with your colleagues inside office? Okay. Mhm. Okay, that's why I asked you. Do you talk with anyone in English at office and your colleagues or your boss, your authority? Okay, that's good because you. Okay, how long have you been using this platform? How long? 15 days ago. How did you know about this platform? Who recommended you this platform to join here? Okay. After that, right. Then how much amount have you paid through platform because you are a premium user? O- Okay, that's good. How much time do you invest for the through platform? Okay, I got your point. If you get free time, then you use this platform and you practice with co-learner, right? I don't do anything. I have completed my graduation right now. I want to enhance my English speaking like you. That's why I have installed in this platform and practice with language learner. Yeah. Yeah, because in this day, if you cannot speak, then it is little bit we we cannot solve the problem, right? If you go to traveling, or if you go to any bank sector or any department, they people provide any form or something. Then if you don't know to understand English, then how can you fill up that form, and how can you communicate with other people if you go to a different state within India, right? Because India is a language. Mhm. Okay, tell me. Hmm. 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 Right. Working. Right. Okay. Because in, so okay, most of time English is. Mm-hmm. Yeah, because we cannot learn all state languages and all country languages, right? But we can learn easily. Yeah, yeah. English is a global language. That's why English is a global language. Anyone can accept this language, right? Because if I go your, yeah, south, yeah, part, I cannot speak your Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, any language. But if I speak with you in English, then I can survive in there. If I cannot speak your native language, if I cannot speak in English, how can I survive in there, right? That's why we cannot learn all state and country languages, but we can learn English languages. It is a business language. You spoke about this, right? Because language connect two person, language connect two country, two state people, right? That's why it is a business language. Then you tell what kind of activity do you take to enhance your English? Pardon? Could you repeat? Mhm. What type of activity do you take? What type of activity? I didn't hear. Pardon? What type of activity do you take to enhance your English? Pardon? Tell me. I see. Yeah, yeah. You're asking me. So asking a question like this, you in our shop, what kind of working you are doing? No, 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 no. I never asked about your work. I asked you what type of activities do you take to enhance your English speaking? Like this platform, because right. Whatever it is, sir, madam, depend on who are touching with me. Mhm. They, they, they how they communicating with me. So I started my communication. Right. So, so many people that are talking very professionally. Right. So some student very talking with me very friendly, Mhm. very welcoming. Right. So I'm, yeah, I'm holding like this. You take only two skill. Language has four skill: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. But you take two skill: listening and speaking. Right? You don't do reading and writing. It is also one skill. We only consider speaking.